So that's where the train has stopped. So we're supposed to go ahead, but now it's not going. So मैं एक नए रेस्टोरेंट में आई हूँ और इस यहाँ पे खाना थोड़ा सा इंडियन लग रहा है, बट इट इज़ चाइनीज़ एंड इट इज़, इसका नेम चिकन पाव जैसे, but it is chicken with coriander and some vegetables and onion. It looks nice. It's a new restaurant. It is really good. तीखा नहीं है, but मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है. It's so cold outside, and a warm chicken rice makes you happy. So it's really really nice. I'm enjoying it. इसके बाद मुझे क्लास में जाना है और फिर पढ़ाना है, तो उसके लिए पेट फुल. तो हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? पेट पूजा पहले, काम बाद में. So it's going to be a good afternoon for me. So I asked the waitress, what is it called? It's called as chicken rice, but it tastes very Indian. And first time I came here, and it's really really good. Chili oil, and the waitress was very happy that I said, "ये Indian taste कर रहा है." And finally, the class is over. The whole day I've been here in this classroom, and it was a very long day today, like from 11 o'clock till now. It is going to be 5:30 or more than 5:30. It's already dark, and now it's time to go home. And it's going to be a long journey, first with a tram and then with a train. So now time to wear my winter gear. So actually, instead of taking me home, it just stopped half the way, and now I have to get down somewhere half the way, and Bjorn has to come to pick me up. And it's freaking cold, and it's snowing also, and it is snowing, and we were just thrown out of the train. I don't know when the next train is. So all the passengers have got down here. They said der Zug fährt nicht weiter. So we have to get off here, and I have to wait for Bjorn now. It's snowing, it's raining, the weather is so bad. So that's where the train has stopped. So we're supposed to go ahead, but now it's not going. So either I wait here, but no, I told Bjorn to. And that's how I look now, with the snow and the rain. It's all coming on my face. And I'm trying to, now I'm going to go down the steps and then hopefully find somewhere where I can wait for Bjorn to come. So that was the train which was supposed to go, and it's not going. So now Bjorn is coming, and I'm just waiting here, and it's snowing and it's cold. So waiting in the snow and rain for Bjorn. So hopefully he comes soon, because I don't know if I go somewhere and he doesn't find me. So I better wait here. Hopefully this car is our car. And yes, it is. Finally.